ndapfukama imbere yanyu ndabasabye umpa akazi. Ubuzima.
Take this blue one.
This is a good choice. Let me show you how it works.
And can you give me a case?
Julius 257, take a look at these new arrivals. Everything looks amazing.
Mama Mr. Julius we, ubuzima bwo gatumba je bwanani. Imyaka 10 irarumanye mpejeje amashure.
Nkora iki?
Kaba yakasama reka ninjirire mu nzu. Mama
akiri utuduhera nari nsigaranye udukoreshe mwitike ugende Bujumbura kurondera akazi.
Urakoze mama, Imana iguhe kuramba.
Bye bye mwana wanje.
Okay, bye bye mama, musigare impore.
Bujumbura kurondera akazi, kumbura ubuzima
buzohinduka.
I have traveled this road many times. The views are always beautiful. Almost there, God willing.
Kenshi ndahora numva ushitse Bujumbura yuko uvuga igifaransa cyangwa icyongereza igiswahili. Uyu munsi nanje ngoma mfata umwanzuro nza gusaba akazi mu gifaransa n'icyongereza kugira ndabemeze yuko ndize mfise diplôme maze imyaka 10. Twagiye.
Moi, je cherche du travail.
Non, pas maintenant.
S'il vous plaît, avez-vous quelque chose pour moi?
On n'a rien.
Merci, bonne journée. I'm looking for work. Do you have any opportunities? No, sorry, we are not hiring. Is there anything I can do here? Please, I really need a job. Do you have any work for me? Please. No, not today. Sir, I need a job. Can you help me? We are not hiring.
Ndakaka mu cyongereza barakanya. Saba mu gifaransa barakanya. Irifo yuko igifaransa cyangwa icyongereza nize ku mashuri ndabishira ku ruhande. Fukame saba akazi ricishe mu. Oya basi ndafukamye. Ndafukama imbere yanyu ndabasabye umpa akazi. Ubuzima bwananiye gatumba.
Thank you. I promise I won't let you down. I know you won't. This is where you'll be working. Come on. Congratulations, my friend. The job is yours. Thank you so much. This is a dream come true. Best model Welcome for you. It has a great camera.
Oh, I like this one. How much?
We can make a deal. Let's see.
Excuse me, can I see that phone, please?
Sure, just a moment. Thank you for the help. It is my pleasure. Enjoy your new phone.
I will take this blue one.
This is a good choice. Let me show you how it works.
And can you give me a case?
Of course, look at these options. Welcome to Mr. Julius 257. Take a look at these new arrivals. Everything looks amazing. Thank you.
Oh, oh, oh.